Welcome, everyone. We have our pitch tip of the week, or maybe two. We'll see what we get. We're here with Michelle Lewis, who's from 9to5Mac. Welcome, Michelle.
Thank you.
What's your tip for all us publicists out there?
My tip is not to bury your lead. And so if you can make the sort of news peg of your pitch as clear as possible right at the very beginning, then it's easier for me to find that because we are very news-led. I write for Electric, which is a 9to5Mac website, and we cover clean energy and electric cars. And so we look for short, quick, hard hits, and we break news. That's what we do. So context is great so that I know that you understand what we do, but it's ideal for me personally and for my colleagues to know exactly what the news is.
Great pitch tip. Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks, Beck.